Hey guys, Captain Keith here from Clearwater. We get a lot of questions about electronics and just kind of what you can do to keep them clean, anti-glare, and all that stuff. What I recommend just for cleaning in general is just get a spray bottle with some water, just a fine mist, or you could spray it into a microfiber cloth. But just give it a nice little dusting with water and then just really kind of make sure you get it good and dried off. And you should get most of the smudges and your fingerprints off of here because you're constantly touching these things when you're going through here. So once you get her rinsed off and dried off, I highly recommend Serious Shine by Surehold. This stuff has got UV inhibitors in it. It's anti-static. It'll repel water. You can use it on your fiberglass. You can use it on your stainless steel. It's perfectly safe for these glass displays. You can use it on the rubber, on the plastic, on any of this stuff. So after you've hit this with your water and you dry this off real good, you're gonna wanna go and just with a Serious Shine, just give it a nice light little spritzing with it like that. And then take this with the microfiber and just kind of rub it around, obviously, but then you just kind of one side of the rag, get it on there, flip it over on the dry side, and then just really kind of polish that in there, buff it in there. And that will definitely help keep fingerprints down. It'll knock the glare down and it'll make it beautiful, nice and crystal clear for you. So like I said, it's good. We can do this on all the rocker switches, on the AC vents, you know, on the Mercury vessel view over here, on anything. And like I said, fiberglass, stainless steel, you can't go wrong with Surehold's Serious Shine. It's good for basically everything. See you guys out on the water.